Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow apps to access camera on Mac. So many apps including video calling, online meeting and document scanning apps require camera access to work properly. Rather than allowing every app to use your camera automatically, macOS gives you a complete control over which app can access it. This makes it easy to protect your privacy while still allowing trusted app to use the camera whenever needed. So to allow the camera access, first click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to privacy and security. Here, scroll a bit and then find camera in the right side pane and click on it. Now here find the app you want to allow and make sure to enable the toggle right to it. As soon as you give the permission to access camera for that app, you may need to verify yourself by Touch ID or Mac passcode. So do it and the changes will save. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.